YouTube channel. So this is gonna be like in-depth tutorials, try-on hauls, thrift hauls, any just general like sewing questions and like behind the scenes for me getting ready for Fashion Week in September. On my TikTok, someone requested that I did a try-on haul of some of my designs. So I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite designs and kind of talk about like what those mean. But for this channel, if you guys have any suggestions of what kind of content you want to see, comment down below. Anything you want to see, anything you don't want to see. Let me know if you have any specific tutorial requests or any sewing questions. Feel free to ask on here too. Yeah, so let's get to trying stuff on. So this jean jacket is one of my favorite things I've made. It's made out of completely vintage jeans, and I took like the shell of this vintage Levi's jacket and just used the top part and then the like cuffs, and then otherwise I put in new fabric to make it like super cute patchwork vibes with like multi-tones. So I really like it. It's super comfy. This bucket hat is one of my favorite things I've made. I'm not gonna put it on because my hair is up, but along the brim it says make art, not war, and there's peace signs and hearts going around it. It was also made out of vintage denim that I thrifted all of it, so saving the planet, but I think it's super cute, super fashionable. You can wear it with like anything. This one is just a super cute mini dress, super comfy, really cool. It's like a cotton fabric, so it's like really soft. I think it's really flattering. So these are two pieces I actually just recently made. I'm absolutely obsessed with this mini skirt. I'm living for, super flowy, super comfy. This crop top, living for the two tones. It's everything. You can put it with like a black denim jacket, which is what I think I'm gonna do. And I'm actually gonna be wearing this in New York. Okay, this is one of my favorite like comfy things. It's just like a nice triangle like lounge top, and I paired it with some cargo joggers I made with pockets, which are everything. So yeah. If I didn't try on something you want to see, let me know down in the comments and I'll be sure to post another video. So have a great day.